Today I have here the water and some pebbles that was taken from the Sea of Galilee. This is the place where Jesus called Peter and some of his early disciples to go with him and be his disciples. I bring these souvenirs to the Philippines for all my friends, together with the prayer for healing and for all the physical infections. May God bless us all for this water. I was able to wash my face from the water of Galilee. Thank you, dear Lord. This is the Sea of Galilee. I thought water is coming from here. Thank you, God. I may not be able to fill this up all the way to the tap, but I have the water now. For BJ and for all my friends right here in the Philippines who ask for the prayers. May God bless us all.